Convert free trial users to customers by remarketing to them. When you are going to start a business, you just need a solid plan of business which is based on a marketing term called the 4 Ps. Let's discuss them all one by one. Product. First of all, you need to care about your product. What we mean by product is anything you want to sell, whether it's software, training, or a physical good. Quality of product is the most important thing in marketing. It is natural that when a person gets a good quality product, they will prefer to buy from you again and suggest others to buy from you as well. Price. It's natural that we all want to buy a good thing at a low price. We are not telling you to always keep your prices low. We are just suggesting you keep the price of your product low to start. It doesn't mean you should start selling your products at a low price. Instead, give a 30% to 50% off sale offer for 20 days. Another killer strategy to convert is by offering free trials. This allows the potential buyer to test the product, get excited enough, and easily pay for the full price afterwards. Promotion. Promotion is a crucial part of the plan. Get people knowing about your product. Digital marketing is trending nowadays. For this, social media marketing is good, and we prefer Facebook in all these. Why Facebook? We prefer Facebook because it's low cost. It's easy to start a campaign. It can target a narrow audience. It can target people who are already using your product through a free trial. It's a vast place, so we can target people easily. People. Now at the final stage, we need to understand which type of people are going to buy our product. We need to show our prospects at least one benefit, no matter which type of product it is. In short, we just want you to understand that we need to show people what they actually want, and don't show them irrelevant things. Remarketing. Now it's time to think how you can convert your free trial users into premium users with remarketing. We prefer Facebook remarketing here. Let's have a short discussion on that. The following are some points regarding this. It is a little bit similar to Google Ads, but in Facebook remarketing, your ads will be shown on Facebook by selecting a custom audience. There is not a big difference in Google Ads and Facebook marketing. In Google Ads, your ad will be shown on a website. On the other hand, in Facebook remarketing, people will see your ads on their Facebook news feeds. Plus point for using Facebook remarketing, social media, especially Facebook, is the best place to advertise something because of its popularity. So, you can target as many people as you can. You can target your free trial users only. The benefit of it is you can target only the people you want. For example, if you want to show ads to people who are already using an app or a website as a free trial, which allows you to serve ads only to the list of contacts you've already acquired. People who sign up for the free trial will definitely provide their email address and will target only those on Facebook through remarketing. So we will be spending our money for ads on the right people. The custom audience is the most powerful and unique tool of Facebook remarketing. It is more like email marketing. The main reason we recommend Facebook remarketing is you can have greater engagement. You can imagine it this way. More than 22 billion people click on ads every year, and Facebook is your best opportunity to grab a share of that business. Facebook remarketing do's and don'ts in 2019 and 2020. Facebook remarketing, retargeting, is one of the most effective ways to bring back visitors that have performed certain actions on your site. It allows you to send ads with the aim of recapturing their attention, based on the actions they took earlier. There are several things you need to understand about launching a Facebook remarketing campaign. Now you will learn the do's and don'ts you just put into practice to achieve a successful Facebook remarketing campaign. Do's. Exclude custom audiences from other retargeting campaigns. Of course, it is ideal to want to reach as many audiences as possible, particularly for more sales. But be careful to not get carried away with remarketing. Do not annoy people who have already converted with ad overload. This is also going to be a wasted budget. Therefore, be sure to exclude anyone who has already converted from the list of your targeted users. Set up an efficient tracking system. There is no way to successfully perform Facebook retargeting without remarketing to the audience who engaged with your website or content. To achieve this, you will need to set up a tracking system. A good tracking system can make all the difference in your Facebook retargeting campaigns. It will help to cater to the needs of your custom audiences. To start, you'll need to configure your Facebook pixel with the tracking system already in place. The next thing is to start building new custom audiences, plus craft a retargeting message that speaks to these audiences. Segment your Facebook remarketing database. One big mistake you can make about Facebook remarketing is to target all your Facebook custom audience with the same offer or retargeting ads. It is purely unproductive to channel your high ROI retargeting audience into a single basket. To run an effective retargeting campaign, you need to segment your audience, refresh your data frequently, plus offer ads that match the interests of the new remarketing segments. Retarget on time. You may lose the recall factor among your audience if you delay too much in displaying retargeted ads. Facebook retargeting should preferably happen within 10 days after a prospect visited your website. Don't be pushy or aggressive, as it may work against you and the customer might lose interest. Rather, learn to go about it subtly. You can drop subtle hints or even send a quick offer or discount. Set up a remarketing funnel. A successful Facebook retargeting occurs in different stages. Someone who only reads your post one time can be converted into a customer, only if you retarget them with the right message at the right time. And that's why you should create a remarketing funnel. Awareness, interest, desire, conversion, and re-engagement. And now, let's move to the don'ts. Don'ts. Don't opt for a broad campaign. Narrow it down. Dealing with a broad campaign is probably the biggest and the most common Facebook retargeting mistake. A typical retargeting campaign targets every site visitor in the last 30 days. If this is the only thing you do, it doesn't matter how incredible your ads are, people won't convert. Rather, you need to redefine your audience by targeting specific URL visits, time on site, and frequency to achieve a better conversion rate and CTR. Don't overdo your retargeting. Have you ever stumbled upon an ad on Facebook that you have seen repeatedly and now it's becoming overbearing? I personally get irritated, and I'm sure your audience will feel the same. According to a survey conducted by Ad Espresso, they found that those ads that were displayed repeatedly result in a CPC increase and a CTR decrease. To help reduce the frequency of your ads, you can set up an automated rule in Facebook Manager to limit the number of times your advert is displayed before your audience over a period of time. Don't waste time on the wrong people. Remarketing to people who aren't going to contribute to your sales is actually a losing effort. No matter how hard you try, they won't opt for your products or services. Another thing to keep in mind is never to retarget those visitors that spend very little time on your website. This is because your effort will be misplaced should you keep trying to win them over. Rather, invest your effort and time in getting more visitors who are actually interested in what you offer and willing to become a paying customer. Don't overlap durations. Not paying attention to campaign durations is another common retargeting mistake marketers make when creating audiences. Of course, you can choose any duration, from 7 to 14 to 60 days, etc. Regardless of your choice of duration, you need to ensure that you negate the others if you are using just one audience. Siphoning traffic from one audience into another is a big no-no. Don't write long copy. These audiences you are retargeting are already aware of what you are offering, and there is no reason to over-explain yourself or your offer. Writing long copy will only make people uninterested and skip your ads entirely. Rather, keeping your retargeting ads short with lots of value will go a long way in getting you more engagements. Final thought. Adhering to the above rules isn't enough to run an effective Facebook retargeting campaign. If you expect your campaign to be a breakthrough, you will have to be creative and willing to explore new ideas. Not only that, make sure you deliver on whatever you promise in your Facebook remarketing ads.